Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm from South Los Angeles. I believe that black barbershops and beauty salons are very influential in forming a black cultural identity, and I wanted to really focus on the characteristics and qualities that make black culture unique.
The barbershop is the cornerstone in the community, and it's like your sanctuary. When I come through these doors, it's
kind of like a safe haven in the black community. There's all people that you're comfortable around, talking about the same topics that you're interested in, and you can just really be yourself.
You gonna get me like this, Jeremy?
About to get the whole process.
Yeah.
Hair plays a big role in cultural identity.
especially in our community, all the weaves.
I started wearing weaves maybe when I was like 14 or 15.
I started styling like an afro.
They can go on a spiral like this or not, or go on something there where they just want to twist their hair and just leave it.
The kink or the curl or the pattern are some things that separates the black styles from other cultures.
This is the best thing that ever happened to me was these pair of clippers.
A black barber can be seen as an entrepreneur.
Once you really learn your craft, to make the same money I make now, I gotta go back and get a doctorate.
I wanted to capture a wide variety of photos and detail shots, some that are unique to a barbershop and a hair salon. Also, I wanted to explore some like candid photography. I felt really confident and I'm proud of what I got. And I think photography can be used for change in very positive ways.
I see people coming here for the family vibe.
The best thing that happened today, I got to take photos in some places that aren't always photographed. So it was very empowering, and that was just the most meaningful thing to me. So by going out and photographing things that are important to you, you can really dive deep into it, because once you find something you're passionate about, you'll work 10 times harder for it because it's something that you're invested in.